Welcome back to Brewing with Ty. Tonight I have my beautiful wife, Casey, with me. The reason she is with me because this wine I made, she likes hers dry and I like mine super sweet. Super sweet. So I will be using Splenda because I did not get the allulose in time. Actually, I didn't even order it. That's why we're using Splenda. So with that being said, we're going to rack this into the pitcher and then we're going to get going. So while we're racking this, I actually wanted to go back and tell you guys what was in this one. This was juice from, I think it was Santa Cruz. So this had the mango, the pineapple, black cherry, and cranberry. We used 2.2 cups of sugar, half a tablespoon of Fermento, half a tablespoon of the Pectic Enzyme, or teaspoon, TSP. And a half a teaspoon of the acid blend. The last gravity reading on this was 1.000. So we have it racked into the pitcher. We have 3,200 milliliters. So what we're going to do now, do you want to taste it how it is now, or you want to add the sugar? You've tasted it before, but you were half sleeping. You want a little sip?
We can do like a little sip, but it was pretty tart.
Tart. It was pretty tart. So we'll just do, and everything is sanitized. So
just a wee little taste.
Little tiny bit. Here, you can take this one.
Okay, thank you.
So that's, actually, you can smell the fruit.
It smells good.
It's got really good legs on it. It's tart.
Make it pucker.
Just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So what we were saying before is we're going to start with 1 cup of the Splenda. And I am keeping track of everything I'm doing here because I would like to go back and redo this again. Casey might have to leave us for a few minutes because little Miss Thing upstairs is crying.
Baby girl.
Baby girl's crying. She is what, 2 weeks old?
2 weeks old.
2 weeks old. So let's get this in.
Oh, baby.
And that is 1 cup. Non-fermentable sugars. Wow, that was a lot better than sugar.
Oh yeah, it dissolves super fast.
That was really fast. I was not expecting it to be that fast.
Yeah, but you've also never really used it before, right?
Never used Splenda. Not once.
Say of the non-sugar packets, it's probably my favorite.
Splenda. Yeah, I've seen everybody using the allulose and dextrose. I think it's dextrose, right? That's the other one.
Oh, dextrose is sugar.
Yeah, well,
it's a sugar.
A sugar. And I'm not going to dump ours back in to there, but what I can do.
I'm going to have to drink this so it's real. Chaser.
Really? That you think is that bad?
It's very sour.
No, I'll give you a little tiny bit this time. Okay. All right. So this is with 1 cup of Splenda. Even smells different.
Better.
Wow.
Honestly, I would say maybe just like a pinch more.
A pinch
but that's
more.
actually, I think, really good.
I you know what? I like mine really sweet, like really, really sweet, and I'm good with it like that.
Oh, well.
I'll do a pinch more.
No, I mean, I thought you would want a lot more.
Well, I was going to make you a bottle, your own bottle, but hey,
right.
If we like that, I'm. Mm-hmm. And it is super young still.
That makes it taste more like an actual wine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's really young too. So, how much more do you think?
So that was 1 cup for
One
that
cup.
whole thing. So is there an 8th? Go down here to that little teeny line because that'd be like about an 1/8 cup. Good.
Perfect. Okay. Oh,
Looks a little closer to a quarter, but it'll be fine.
I think it is a quarter. I like how it dissolves so fast. That's awesome. Because I was thinking I was going to have to stir for an hour. I can't believe how good that tasted. This is my first time making homemade wine. First time I've ever made it. I've never thought about making wine before.
I did not smell it.
I know. I see you just straight to the face.
I was afraid.
You were afraid, is that what you said?
I thought it was still going to be sour.
It was definitely not sour.
No.
All right, well, and this is with a quarter more. We'll say it's a quarter more sugar in it.
It was a quarter for sure. It was at your line.
Cup, my love. I'm surprised you liked that. I thought that was a little sweet. Okay. Even smells better than last time. Oh, I could get down on that.
That's good. No more.
I think it's good too. Awesome.
Yeah, I think any more would be too sweet for me. It would be too sweet for me. But this, I think, is a good like drinking wine. The way
it's perfect drinking wine. So what I didn't mention was the original gravity of this was 1.092. It did ferment all the way down to 1.000. The alcohol ABU was 12.08, so we're going to call it a 12% alcohol. And I'm not going to bore you with putting it in a bottle, so we'll see you here in a second. All right, we're done racking. I did take final gravity. We are at 12% alcohol. Casey is feeding the babes as we speak. So what we're going to do now is cap it. I'm going to put these in here, cap it, and then probably wax it. So turned out pretty good. Got exactly 4 bottles out of what we had left, and 4 bottles and 180 milliliters. So as for me, stay at the ready and stay thirsty.